stomata in plants. Stomata only present in plants, which is nothing but we can compare with stomata as a human nose. So stomata is responsible for the transpiration as well as gases exchange in plants. So most of the stomata is present in leaf backside. Leaf backside. So here we are taking example of okay, beetle leaf అంటే తమలపాకు తీసుకుని దాని వెనుక తమలపాకు బ్యాక్ సైడ్ ఎక్కువ టొమాటోస్ ఉండే అవకాశం ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి మనం తమలపాకు తీసుకున్నాం. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు హియర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ సింగిల్ స్ట్రోక్ ఓకే, సింగిల్ స్ట్రోక్ సి నాట్ గెట్టింగ్ సి ఓకే సి కెన్ యూ అబ్జర్వ్ వెరీ క్లోజ్. టేక్ వన్ ఫాస్ట్ చేయనప్పుడు ఫాస్ట్ చేయాలి. See now here, see this is the edge, white transparent layer is there, no? White transparent layer. Then we have to take this layer in a fuzzy. So here we got to see thin transparent layer. Okay, na thin transparent layer. Then we have to cut it small piece. Then those pieces very small. Then we have to keep on the slide and add one drop of water. Okay, drop 5 not getting dry. Now remove this previous slide. Okay, then keep here. Remove the excess water like this. Okay, then we have to add one drop of methylene blue. What is that?
Methylene blue.
Methylene blue. So excess thing, no, we have to dry it like this. We have to spread it properly, then dry it. Okay, na? Now we have to observe under the microscope. So while using microscope, now we have to keep one side like this, then we will move it. You can observe very clear now. This is very clear. Now you can observe tomatoes. Come close and keep it.